Hello. How are you? Welcome to my vlog for today. Yeah, subscribe to Kobenata. Like, share, and comment in the comment section. And don't forget to ring the bell. Yeah. Today, guys, I'm expecting some visitors from Nairobi. Yeah, I'm expecting some visitors from Nairobi, so I have to pick them from town. Yeah, and come with them. Yeah, I'm expecting some visitors from Nairobi. They are YouTubers like me, so yeah. But before that, um, I have to show you something. I want to clean these clothes. See all these clothes? I have to clean them. Yeah, but I'm using washing machine. Yeah, I want to wash with the machine. So, guys, let me show you and let me teach those who don't know how to use a machine to wash clothes. Yeah, because not everyone who knows, even me, I was taught. I didn't know how to use it, but now let me show you. I'll take you through. I'll wash and you'll see they're going to be clean. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to Kobenata. And then after this, I'm going to meet my visitors in Nakuru City. Yeah, I'm going to meet my visitors today. Yes, guys, let's do this. Let me turn the camera. Yeah, maybe there are some people who don't know how to use the washing machine. So this is the direct drive 12 kgs. And this thing, you can see we have the spa, we have the steam, turbo wash. Yeah, the other time I said turbo. No, it's not turbo, but turbo wash. You see, cotton, Eco 40 to 60. Wow, turbo wash. It's the same as the turbo. Mixed fabric, easy care, silent wash, allergy care. We have the delicate and stroke cool sportswear, speed 14, duvet, tab, clean, download cycle. We have the steam wrinkle care, turbo wash, that is turbo wash, rinse, pre-wash, intensive delay, and add them. Remote. It is the remote start. And here we have the starter, the switch to start on the machine. This one. And here to hold to start. This one is where the power is. See? This one. This is where you switch on. That's the power of the machine, where the power is. And then this one is to hold and start. Yeah, this is the machine. I didn't tell you about this. This one is for when the legs are loose, you tighten the legs for the machine. If you hear this leg is loose, is shaking, this one, you tighten it. Yeah, you tighten it like this. Yeah. Yeah, here we have the tab. oh sorry, socket. You have the tap to bring the water to the machine, and then here we have this to take the water out of the machine. Yeah, guys, that's how it goes. It's the machine now. 12 kgs for washing. Okay, guys, that's how it goes. See the way it is at the back. This one for removing the water, this pipe, as you can see down there. And this one for bringing the water. And you can see the tap. And this one is the switch button. See, like now it's on. This one is off, and this one now is on. Yeah. We have another thing here. This one for removing the dirt. You open here, you remove the dirt, which are stored. It's up there. You remove with this tap. And this one here is where the dust. How do we remove this? This one, the dark, I think you can see that. You remove this one, you pull it. Okay, you turn it like this. And then you pull it to bring the pull it outside. Like this. You see? This one is where the dirt and dust is stored after being removed. Inside here I had some clothes I was washing. So I have to remove these clothes. They are dry. As you can see. Have anything inside, of which this one's the one. They are okay. Now guys, after sorting the clothes like this, you make sure you close this door very well. Very well. And then you open here. We have the soap for the machine. You see? It is written Toss White Machine Wash Detergent. This is the soap you're supposed to use. Yeah. You put it here. This one for the soap. This for the soap only. This one for the jig. And this one you put the Star Soft. See? See guys what we are going to do. Yeah. Put the soap here like this. Measures just not too much of it. You put the one which can fit in your machine. And since, see, that's the soap. Since the Star Soft is finished, you see, no need of putting the Star Soft now because it has finished. And this clothes doesn't need the jig, as I've told you, you know. So you close this thing here like this. And then after closing, you close this. After closing, Now you switch on. Yeah, you switch on like that. Then you set this. And since you have put the mixed clothes, you set on the turbo wash. See, turbo wash. You can see the light is showing you 39 turbo wash. And then here, you come and set here at 1200. It's already set. Now you come here and set the temperature. Like now it's in cold. You go to 20, 30, 40, 60. And then here to spin, for you to make the clothes dry very well, you go to 14. You see? 14. That one, it will be 1 hour. 1 hour. Then from there, you come to the start. You put like this. If it has not started, then you know this door is not closed well. Yeah, but it's already starting. You feel it has closed the door. Now see the way it will start. You hear? Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound? And then you check inside. See, the clothes are turning now because the water is entering. Yeah. Yes, guys. And that's how we are going to wait for that 1 hour. Yeah, guys, now we wait for 1 hour for these clothes to be washed. And after finishing washing, it will ring the bell. There will be a sound coming like a song. It will start ringing. Yeah. Then your clothes will be washed. Thank you. Subscribe to Kobenata YouTube channel. Like, share, and comment. Don't forget to comment, guys. Now let me go and see whether my visitors has arrived. If they have arrived in Nakuru City. They are coming from Nairobi, yeah? Yeah, let me now go. Keep on watching. Keep tuned. Guess who and who? But wait, you'll see my visitors. Yeah, guys, let's go together. But it's almost raining, yeah? It's almost raining. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock in the evening time. Yeah, bye. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Hi. Yeah, Charlene. Wow, she's Charlene, my niece. Yeah, guys, I'm heading to town to receive my visitors. I don't know whether they have reached. They are coming from Nairobi. Yeah. So let's go and see. Yeah, they told me that they are going to call me. They are going to call me when they are going to call me when they reach town. Yeah, as you can see, this is my outfit for today. Yes. Yeah, I've just put a t-shirt, a jacket, yeah, and a panty. Yeah. Wow. So we go. We are heading to town. You can see some crops here. They are growing very well. Wow. Wow. We planted the crops a long time now. They are growing. Yeah, like veggies. Now you can eat veggies. Yeah. So guys, come along with me. We go and get my visitors. Yeah, come along with me. Let's go and get my visitors. Let's go and get my visitors. It's a surprise. You see them. I have 2 visitors. All of them, they are YouTubers. You'll get to see them. Wow. Can't wait. Hey guys, how are you? Say hi to my YouTube channel. Hi. Yes, the kids, so beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Yes. Hi guys, my visitors are here. Yeah, I've come to receive my visitors from Molaline. This is the stage of Molaline. As you can see my visitors. Yeah, Mapopo, how are you? I'm done. And how are you?
I'm good. You're good? Yeah, good. Yeah, I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Yeah, from Nairobi.
Yeah. Actually from Mombasa, Nairobi, then here. So tired.
So tired. Yeah, guys.
Yes, my name is Mapopo. Welcome to
Kobenata.
Yes. Kobenata channel.
Yes.
Road to
1,000.
1,000 subscribers. Kindly subscribe, please. Support my sister, guys. You know, it's small YouTuber like me, guys.
Yeah.
Imagine. So, guys, thank you so much. Imagine today Mulindima here.
Yeah.
In Nakuru. Imagine. Nakuru.
Nakuru City.
Okay. So wait video Nakuru
Yeah.
Nakuru town.
Yes.
Nakuru county.
Town city.
Town city.
Not town city.
City. This is a city like Nairobi. Yes. Nairobi is there. Mapopo is wondering.
There is a Mulindima here, guys. So
Yeah.
searching Mapopo.
Yeah.
Ghetto man, I'm here. Guys, I'm sharing, no problem.
And Nairobi teacher.
Yes, guys, how are you? Nairobi teacher here. I know you can see me. I'm very dull because I just need a rest.
Yeah.
I'm tired. We haven't slept for almost 2 days.
2 days.
Yes, 3 days. Actually, 3 days.
Yeah.
3 days because the last night we were coming from Mombasa, we didn't sleep.
Yes.
The following night we didn't sleep.
Yes.
Yesterday at night again we didn't sleep well. So you can imagine. And we are here in Nakuru again.
Yeah, you came to visit Kobenata.
Yeah, we came to visit our sister here.
Yeah, Kobenata.
Yeah.
Kobenata is the name from USA, it's the name from Ushago.
Kobenata is the name from my
Ushago.
family.
My
It's
family.
called my son, Betsy, my name,
Oh.
and my
Oh.
son's father, Nata.
Oh, so you've combined
Yeah,
the
I
names.
combined the names.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Mapopo.
Okay, guys, we go.
Yeah.
I want to take you.
Be careful with the music.
Okay, copyright.
Yes.
We end it here because of the noise and to avoid copyright. Consider supporting me guys by subscribing. Bye.